Welcome to my channel, and this is the project for the Animal Crossing lookalike that I make, and I'm so happy that I make this one. This is not a tutorial, but I show you only the process of the making of that dress. So first you have to make for this head, and I make that the head is mirrored, same as the body, and this is how now the UV wrap look like, and also the vertex paint that I paint for the body and use for a little bit of nude for the attribution. And now I change your mind um, to color the base of the hair. So I tried color the base hair like this. So that's it. But be sure that this one, the view, you have to save this. Since I see I have a lot of saving here. Go ahead. Um, in here. So you need to save the artwork that you make before it's gone, because you got a problem. So if you see with this in the in your file, you see it back. So this is how the body look like, and now you see here that I have this um save, and I'm gonna open it with this one for the image texture, and then I open the image that I choose, then connect this first to principal BSD, and see that it's already there. So that's how it look like. And yeah, every time you do this, you need to save, because if you don't, then Blender will not save for you. You must be aware of what you are making if you make a 3D character. So as you see that the base of the hair was a bit big, and I just to adjust the hair, and I was thinking also to change the base base color for the hair at the bottom, because the hair, it's quite huge, and you don't see each other like the same in color. But what I did here is I adjusted for the for this here, um, and I'm carefully to adjust all of this angle. Same with the other side. You have to do it to adjust for for fitting. And every materials is different and separated. But this here is a separate spare, and I only extruded the hair for to look like unsymmetrical. So this is how it looked like. And that's how it look like also with the top. And now I adjusted. It seems it's good now here. Now we're gonna load again for that, and see it back here. And now I make the lips. It's a simple bezier, simple like that. But you can draw with the vertex paint if you want. So I just make like this, and then shrink to that part of the head, and it looks like that. So now I simply made this one, and that's it, guys. And we're gonna move to this um, dress, just simple, just to subdivide the square. You'll see that I make this one so very slow here, and you'll see that there's a subdivision. You've got to adjust also the subdivision um of the square. So after subdividing this, you have to look for at the back if it's right, and then look also with the side, and then you have to adjust this one or shrink this one at the front, and adjust also in the other side of the left side, so that the the dress will be balanced. And you can imagine that this is only a square, and then extrude down, and then I also adjust the middle and also in the bottom, and adjust also in the breast part to have that cut, and also from the front side. Now I try to adjust this top, and then now it looks like now a dress, right? And in the side, that's how it look like with this dress, but in front, that's how it look like. So simple as this dress. Now I want this dress that have this picture image to my to what I like. So I grab the texture, but first you have to UV map this one, because if you don't UV map, it does not appear, and after that you have to save, and then grab your image and then put it in your UV map. And now this is what you see here. That's all in my image, and then I just stencil that one, and then after that stenciling, it appear to the dress. My base for my dress is um, pink color, mostly with feminish color. I always love with the feminish color. So when you see when I stencil, it now appear to the UV map, and that's how it look like here. So you see that it's not already there in that clothes of, or I mean the dress of this. And just simple like to make the dress like that, guys. So very simple, and then you just adjust, and then I just attribute this one with the nodes, and also the base at the body is just the same with the color of the dress, if you see there. So this is what I adjusted now here, and for a very simple dress like this. And you have to save this one, and And this is how it look like that. So cute, right? Very simple. And I make also the shoes. You'll see that the shoes here was already made very simple, and it's look nice. And then you have to save this one. So this is how I make my Animal Crossing dress 3D, and you have to save it. And then now guys, we're gonna render this image, and you see here that is 1920 1920. We're gonna try to render this one how it look like. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, guys. And then after the rendering, it looks like this. Now you see that it looks good. And that's how you gonna render for the size. And this is the result for that render. And it's so very simple and so cute. And without the flower here, there is a flower, and for the render, this is the result. And thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, this is RUCHALIAN. See you next time once again.